Many sectors that have not previously been contributing have told us their biggest reason or hurdle is because of that cost of compliance. That if you make it easy for me to pay you, I will pay you. But if I have to incur more cost in order to pay, it becomes very difficult. And therefore, as we have been going around, what you have seen, discussions around, for example, the technology we use called e-teams. And I remind you, e-teams is not a new tax or new tax obligation. E-teams is simply a technology that we use to make it easy for everybody. We have dealt with more than 200 ideas and issues raised by citizens on how to improve the process, and we are really pleased and we thank them for engaging so deeply with the Kenya Revenue Service.